Tsai Ing-wen has become the president of which country? China, Japan, Taiwan. So here the correct answer is Taiwan. So Tsai Ing-wen has become the president of country Taiwan, and correct answer is Taiwan, and Taiwan capital is Taipei. And there is a famous company of Taiwan called Asus. I think you have heard the name, the famous company Asus, and the company laptops. I think you have know. And the company, it's a company of electric gadget maker that is from Taiwan. And remember one more thing, that there are two Indian MP, member of parliament, who attended her inauguration ceremony. Who are they? So one is Meenakshi Lekhi, who is the member of parliament from the New Delhi parliamentary constituency, and one more. Second is Rahul Kaswan, and Rahul Kaswan from Churu from Rajasthan. So both have attended the inauguration ceremony of Tsai Ing-wen. One is Meenakshi Lekhi and second one is Rahul Kaswan. Here the correct answer is Taiwan. Name the Indian economist who has been appointed by the World Bank to a key position on climate change disaster management in South Asia. So name of that person is Abhas Jha. So here the correct answer is Abhas Jha, who has been appointed by the World Bank to a key position on climate change and disaster management in South Asia. And talking about the disaster climate, recently cyclone Amphan, who hit the Odisha as well as West Bengal, and the Amphan name is given by which country? So the Amphan name is given by the country Thailand, and Thailand capital is Bangkok and currency is Baht. And recently 13 countries are there which have given the 13 name, so that 160 name has been given for the next season of the cyclone. And this cyclone name was given by many countries, so this time 160 name have been given for the next season of the cyclone. And West Bengal and World Bank, talking about the World Bank has a new chief economist from Cuba capital is Havana, and name of that economist is Carmet Hanhart. And here the correct answer is Abbas Jha, who has been appointed for the same. Mohit Bagal, who recently passed away at the age of only 26, was a renowned what? So correct answer is actor. So Mohit Bagal, who has recently passed away at the age of only 26, was an actor. And if you seen the movie of Salman Khan, Ready, then he was there. So only at the age of only 26, he died recently due to the cancer. So he was a renowned actor. Which state has imposed a 50% special COVID fee on the maximum retail price of the liquor while allowing home delivery of alcohol? The first state that has started home delivery of alcohol via Swiggy, Zomato, all that was Jharkhand. And now Odisha government has started home delivery of alcohol. So here the correct answer is Odisha. So Odisha government has started the home delivery of alcohol, but it will be 50% more costly than if you go to market. And this is basically for increasing the revenue. That's why Odisha government has started this. And who is this? And the ruling party of Odisha is BJD, that means Biju Janata Dal, and CM is Naren Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. And Jharkhand, Hemant Soren's party name is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and Draupadi Murmu is the governor. And Andhra Pradesh, it's YS Jagannath Reddy and Biswa Bhushan Harichandan is the governor for the same. And here the correct answer is Odisha, who has started home delivery of alcohol. Hunar Haat, it's a flagship scheme of which ministry? Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Textile, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Here the correct answer is Ministry of Minority Affairs. So Hunar Haat is organized by the Ministry of Minority Affairs and which is headed by the Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. And recently Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has written a book, and the book is called Balwa. So Balwa book is written by which ministry? So Balwa book is written by the Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, who comes under the Ministry of Minority Affairs. And Ministry of Tribal Affairs, who is the ministry for the same? It's Arjun Munda, and Arjun Munda, his constituency in Khunti in Ranchi, and he is also the president of Archery Association of India. And Ministry of Textile, who is the ministry for the same? So Ministry for the Textile, it's Smriti Jubi Norani and his constituency in Amethi. And Minority Affairs I have told you earlier. So this scheme, flexi scheme of Hunar Haat is by Ministry of Minority Affairs, which is headed by the Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Which state has inaugurated Shram Siddhi Abhiyan to provide jobs to laborers? So here the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh government. So Madhya Pradesh government has inaugurated Shram Siddhi Abhiyan to provide jobs to migrant laborers. And a lot of scheme was launched by the Madhya Pradesh government, such as Jeevan Amrut Yojana. Jeevan Amrut Yojana for what? To boost the immunity of the peoples. Jeevan Shakti Yojana. Through the Jeevan Shakti Yojana, women will make mask and they will get 11 rupee for each. Yodha Kalyan Yojana for the Anganwadi workers to give the 50 lakh insurance. And Charan Paduka to provide shoes and slippers to migrant workers while walking to them in the barefoot in order to reduce their pain. And recently one more, Didi vehicle, it's a service has been launched by the women of the rural livelihood mission in the tribal dominated in the which district, Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh. So a lot of scheme was launched by the Madhya Pradesh government recently, and you have to remember all of that. So had the greatest Madhya Pradesh government who has inaugurated this Shram Siddhi Abhiyan to provide jobs to migrant workers, laborers. A high-level committee of experts has been formed by the government to recommend reforms in India's drugs regulatory system. So who will head this committee? So like Drug Regulatory Corporation of India, Drug Authority and all that, which will be headed by the Rajesh Bhushan. So had the correct answer is Rajesh Bhushan. And talking about the committee, one more committee called Public Account Committee, which is chaired by the Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. So he the chairman for this same Public Account Committee element from Behrampur, and Behrampur you will find in West Bengal. And here the correct answer is Rajesh Bhushan, who has been appointed as the head of this committee for reforming drugs regulatory system, Rajesh Ranjan. World Bank has announced the emergency operation worth $160 billion in how many developing countries to fight against the deadly virus that's called coronavirus pandemic. So current answer is 100. So World Bank has announced an emergency operation worth of 160 billion for the 100 developing countries to fight against the deadly virus. And talking about the World Bank headquarters you will find in Washington DC. And who is the Secretary General for this time? It's Antonio Guterres. And Antonio Guterres from which country? From Portugal. And Portugal capital is Lisbon. And recently one more, World Bank has a new chief economist, and name of that lady is Carmet Henhardt. So Carmet Henhardt has become the new chief economist of the World Bank, and he is from Cuba, and Cuba capital is Havana. And here the correct answer is 100 country, which is developing countries, will be given $160 billion against the deadly virus coronavirus pandemic. Which company has backed a cloud project with the US Department of Defense, DoD? So this company is Google. Correct answer is Google. So Google company has backed a cloud project with the US Department of Defense. And who is the defense minister of USA? It's Mark Esper. And defense minister of India is Rajnath Singh, and his constituency in Lucknow you know very well. But the defense minister of USA it's Mark Esper. And Ajit Doval is the national security advisor of India, but Robert O'Brien is the national security advisor of USA. And here the correct answer is Google, and Google CEO is the Sundar Pichai.